So midday also prepare prasadam.
Yeah. We make one paneer soup and maybe some ponchicages, some cheese bread. And then 1 o'clock is a football match.
Today?
Yeah.
Where?
On the TV.
World Cup. Football match. To whom?
England versus Panama.
Panama.
Yeah, Panama.
How Panama qualified?
And Holland is not.
Yeah. Then Panama also qualified, huh?
Yeah.
Something like Philippines.
They have Brazilian players, that's why.
Yeah.
They buy from Brazil.
Hey, South American football match is good, huh? Because England, I don't know, here is the cold country, no?
Yeah.
So not too much they are practicing actually.
Much cold.
Yeah?
In Brazil, all year long they playing
Yeah.
since child.
Outside all day.
They going street anywhere, jungle.
They are practicing every day.
Yeah.
Brazil the best, I think. But last time Brazil lose.
Yeah.
From Germany.
Yeah?
7-1.
Yeah.
Germany. No, Holland?
Germany.
From Holland they also lost, yeah.
Holland,
2010, I think. they
Yeah.
lost Holland.
They lost from Holland also.
No, Holland came in semi-final, I think so, no?
Yeah.
But final was coming.
Argentina.
Argentina and Germany.
Germany got.
That's it. Argentina lost in Rio de Janeiro. So the match was in Rio. All the people from Rio, they're so much.
Happy.
Yeah.
Argentina lost.
Yeah, they have a river.
They already Brazil and we already played with whom? Brazil got 2.
Yeah.
And what is it? Brazil and USA?
Last World Cup.
No, that's just
This
now.
time.
Yeah.
Switzerland and Costa Rica.
Costa Rica, yeah, Costa Rica out, 0.
Yeah, only after the game was finished, they had some extra times. Only then, Brazil only played good last 6 minutes. Before that, nothing happening.
In the last 6 minutes you got 2.
Yeah, only last 6 minutes. After finish, they give extra time, then Brazil win. If no extra time, Brazil no win.
So the extra time was 0-0.
Yeah. Then, because Brazil kicking and hitting many people, they falling. So they give extra time.
That's all because
And
Holland
because
is
this
not
extra
playing.
time after they kicking many people, they win.
Who kicked it?
No.
This is a Vipaksha concession.
Chandravali.
Neymar kicking so many people.
This is different Vichar.
Because he
then
upset
he
this
cried
time
in
Brazil
the-
not
Holland not qualified.
enter in.
Yeah, so Maharaj is wearing Holland color too.
This time Holland is very upset. Holland people very upset, angry.
No
They
Cup.
are not allowed to come in Brazil.
Also Europe Cup 2 years ago, also not qualified.
Huh?
European Cup also we didn't go.
Oh, Brazil.
Oh, no,
Hey, Holland.
very bad actually.
And not Italy. Italy already in the World Cup this year.
Oh, these are Italians are not qualified.
Yeah, that's why not so important this World Cup.
Wait, I wanted to bring.
No, Italy also playing this match.
Yeah, that's why. How possible? Who's qualifying? Who's deciding who goes who
By
doesn't?
chance.
Yeah, these are games. Political name is called games. Huh? We don't know who are it. I saw that they many also new countries they have come.
Yeah,
Huh?
they're giving chance new countries. And good countries they stay out to give them chance.
I don't know this good countries, bad countries.
Next World Cup, they're going to be more teams. Only this. Normally, I think only I don't know how many, but they're gonna put
No,
48 teams.
No, now it is 32, no? 33.
Yeah, I think like 32,
32
and
or
then
32.
next World Cup they increase into 48. So now Holland has chance.
India also.
This is Pakistan? No.
No.
India, Pakistan.
Australia.
No, Australia also.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, Australia now two goals.
Mind you know everything.
No, I'm not watching, just only reading, you know.
The score.
Headline.
The score.
I'm not watching. I have no time actually. When I'm using
Maybe watch it on your phone while giving class.
No, when I open my computer,
This
they schedule.
Ah, acha.
They who is playing which date, and they say this, who's present. When I click, then we go this. All details are given. But I never also open the cricket match. I never open. I don't like cricket. Cricket. Yeah, I like. When I was small books, that I was also very interested to football. Maybe for this reason, when I was for football, you know, I think maybe 10 or 11 years old. I was then I was playing football.
Ah.
The football is coming in here. Hit,
Ah.
hit is my this side.
Then problem coming.
Yeah, they switch. You are.
Oh.
Then in countryside, then there's no doctor, nothing, these things. Even I did not tell to my mother also. Your mother will be big me. So, and I remember that night I came and I slept. And so my high fever coming.
Oh.
And then night about 1 or 2 o'clock, I cannot tolerate. Then I told my mother. Then mother said, why didn't you tell me? Then, and that time my mother in night time, he went to the, on the bank of the lake, one kind of herbs. Then, uncle the herbs,
Wrong page.
What do you think?
all the herbs, then put and the bandage is Then morning completely well.
Yes. No problem.
Wow.
Powerful.
What herb? Do you know?
Hemp.
That is called look like the elephant's stuff. That is Hathi soda actually. That is flavor. You can put this way. Here, if you go to the Bangkok, everywhere you can see this. And put in there. Little bit you put one, then bend it, But I think that is how many years? 40 years. So, but still maybe inside there
But you're not feeling anything. No problem.
But this is the nature. When we become more older, that time because this is the start with the boon. When we become older, then giving the
Something
power.
coming again.
Yeah, so this is the main thing. And remember, why this side? Not this side, not this side. I remember this left hand is stuck in the football. Yeah.
Do you remember who kicked you, man?
Go find it.
We'll find it, yeah.
Okay.
We'll find it. Yeah.
In cricket, it wouldn't have happened.
Brazil players. Yeah, huh? Who is the best player there?
Neymar. Wow, they say. They fall. Yeah, no,
He
he
cries
falls
too
with
much.
my-
Neymar? What is that?
They
He's
say.
not even there, is he?
Yeah, he's there, he's there.
Which one?
Yeah, he's there.
Which one? Show it.
This one?
Yes.
Yeah.
He's little boy. How old? 20?
26.
Oh.
He's the best player.
Yeah, if you take him out,
Supposed to.
Brazil will lose.
Yeah.
That's their only hope.
No.
Actually, they won without him.
So you can hire for 100.
Huh? Holland can buy him maybe, then they will.
Yeah, you can hire. Okay.
They,
They also hire, no?
Yeah, Ronaldo is going everywhere.
yeah, but not, they hiring not for like country team. Only,
not allowed, eh?
No, only for like normal team. He's playing before in Spain. Now one team from Paris buying him. How much? How much? 220 million, something like that.
Million.
Yeah.
220 million euro.
Oh.
to pay for it.
For him, just for him to play to another different team.
No more, two.
No.
Yeah,
How much?
180.
180, yeah?
Yeah.
180 million.
Million.
180 millions for
One
dollar?
person.
Dollar or dollar?
Euro, same,
Euro.
similar
Euro.
pound. Yeah, euro. For one person.
Just for him to play to another team. One team bringing.
Yeah.
So they are million. They are
He's
million.
millionaire.
Millionaire.
Billionaire maybe.
Yeah.
So much money.
Put pressure, a lot of pressure.
So what the money they are doing?
Just whatever.
Enjoy.
Anything.
Hospital bills.
Hospital. You cannot eat the dollar.
Cannot eat.
How much big building you have to pay.
House everywhere. House in Brazil. House in Spain. House in Paris.
The football player, they are very,
Very
if are best football
Fame and wealth. So much.
Mm.
Very difficult to do Krishna Bhakti.
There's one football player called Krishna.
Ah,
It's so nice video.
But when if it, as a when they will be dip, what is called?
Old.
No, lost.
Then
Crying.
price going down a little bit. Still.
Then the contract is good. I hire to you. Then,
Yeah.
then if you,
So you do a 5-year contract. 5 years you pay. For 5 years I hire you
mm,
and I give you a salary. And then after that finish.
the game is who is defeat, who is win, who is come out.
This is not in contract.
No.
Contract only you playing for me.
Oh.
If losing, not losing, what to do?
This is not your hand.
Yeah.
That time they are feeling with the God.
Yeah.
That time
All
they face
day,
the God.
before going inside, they're doing like this, all praying God. And they have in the shirt under the plain jersey, underneath that they have in God I trust or I love Jesus, like this.
Yeah, especially Brazilian. Brazilian always. Always God. Argentina, yeah, South American. But England, no.
Italians also do.
That's why South America winning. They praying to God all the time.
Holland
Europe
never
never-
playing.
So if this person he will play only Brazil or any country.
You can only play Brazil. You can only play country you're born. Or otherwise, if you like changing citizenship to different country, then you can play there.
Change passport.
But otherwise, you can only play Brazil.
So he can play only for Brazil. But any other person can hire, the Holland hire
No, but no,
clubs.
not for- only for clubs,
For local games.
local game.
local team. Yeah.
International
So
games.
they, oh, I'm thinking.
No, so like Paris or some London teams.
Not World Cup.
No.
No, no, you can't buy one Argentinian, buy some Brazilian. No, no possible.
Then everybody,
Everybody-
then he will be. I don't know.
They bring his own country.
They're not fun.
Ah, yeah. Also, they're not fun.
But his country give money or no? Brazil?
Little bit.
It's because he's playing for Brazilian team, meaning he's getting fame. Then his price increasing more.
No,
Because
World Cup.
only because this is best Brazilian players. So this means all these teams, these clubs, like from London, Paris, they think, oh, this player very good, he's playing for Brazil. Then his price going up. But also still getting some money from
Brazil not give him the 2 million.
Yeah,
Huh?
200 minutes.
different price.
Eu tô perguntando se o Brasil tem que pagar pra ele jogar.
É.
Tem, não?
Paga alguma coisa.
This is Switzerland.
Yeah, very good
Oh,
team.
different. Costa Rica.
Yeah, we
Good
won.
defense.
Eh?
Brazil won. 2-0.
No, Brazil 2.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Costa Rica
Zero.
0.
yeah.
After the game.
I like them, Costa Rica though. I like. They're nice.
You like Costa Rica? Brazil is good. I like Brazil.
Yeah.
Russia?
Russia doing very good now. First
Who
game
was
they're doing
yesterday
5-0.
Who is there? 5.
5-0
5 goal, 5-0. Who that?
Russia doing
Against
5-0.
Saudi Arabia.
against
Serbia.
was the opening game.
Saudi
They
Arabia.
done perfect.
But Russia, they have mafia there. They're probably paying everyone. To
That's
win.
how they got in.
Yeah.
That's how Holland got out.
What? Russia?
Russia very powerful. Money, giving money to everyone, I think.
Just looking corruption.
I think they're giving drugs. You know, man, they're giving like drugs for so their athletes more strong.
Like Maradona.
They're doing
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
So no, there's not much.
In the Olympics.
Their
So
money.
like he used to do.
ये जो बिजनेसमैन के फोटो क्यों नहीं है?
वो collection कर रहे हैं ना?
Yeah.
पूरा collection नहीं है.
And Gora के लिए.
This you buy this book and then after buying each one.
Yeah. Good marketing.
Mexico.
Maar Kundrik now finishes around to chanting Panchatattva. This is okay?
Colombia, look, my mom thinks.
Huh?
Now when he finishes around now, he's chanting Panchatattva with Mala. It's okay?
Gurudev told in the beginning you can do Panchatattva, then no need. Not every time.
Not after every round.
After every round.
No need.
Only beginning before.
But no problem also if doing.
Problem, what is the problem? Problem is one thing, how to attend to Krishna.
Only problem. Then anything possible. Can do anything to attend.
Problem is how to give up everything, come with me.
Big
This
problem.
is big problem.
This is problem. If your wife listen, then become angry.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes. Big problem.
Big problem.
This is my problem. I'm creating.
One day, husband told his wife, do you know, I want to take some, I go.
Mm.
That I'm thinking. His wife said, every day said, that wife said, no, don't go. Huh? He said, then another house, that his neighbor told you know. That wife, husband, every day saying his wife, I will take some, I will take some, I will. But that time his husband told, neighbor husband told, actually that person is just, you also saying his lip service, he will not take some. Just to make afraid his wife. Well, how do you do? Look, I will take some. Then he took, he comes and went out. But who said we never do?
Lip service, man.
Huh?
Lip service.
Yeah. Sometimes people go saying, hey, if you tell you, I go out from my house. I will take some now. Portugal.
Yeah, Spain, Portugal goods.
Huh?
Spain and Portugal goods.
Uruguay, Egypt, Saudi Arabia, how many countries? 32?
I think
It is 32 countries are there playing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Today who is playing? Just I open my computer, then we say. Or your first page coming. Gurudev was very interested also. When Pudun sometimes asked, who? Yeah, बोले कौन है? Actual cricket starting not many years, no?
more recent. I don't know.
Football is going many years. You know. Cricket starting when? Yeah? People are not cricket now. famous.
Maharaj, yesterday also Baladev Vibhushan Prabhu's disciplines day, no?
Yesterday.
No?
Together with same day as Ganga Mata Goswami. Avibhav Ganga Mata Goswami and Tirobhav Baladev Vibhushan Prabhu.
Oh, so the take. I did not remind to me.
I'm thinking you short. Yeah. Only one subject. Every year this time, usually in Brazil, I remember 2 years there this time. Then so much katha about Baladev Vibhushan.
Baladev Vibhushan was a Sampradaya Rakshak.
Param Gurudev so happy.
He protect our Sampradaya. Actually, your Vedanta Samiti name is coming from Baladev Vibhushan Prabhu. Bhakti Pragan Keshav Goswami Maharaj. So why did I put the name of Gaudiya Vedanta Samiti? Actually, this is the remembrance of Baladev Vibhushan Prabhu. Because generally, Advaivadi Sannyasi, they are thinking Vedanta, they are own property. They are saying we are Vedanti. Generally, Sankara Sampradayas, they also known is called Vedanti. Because Shankaracharya is very famous in Vedanta Darshan, and most of his followers, they also discuss about Vedanta. Actually, that Vedanta is called Mayavadi Vedanta. Shankaracharya, he gave the commentary on the Vedanta, that is called the Saririk Bhashya or Shankar Bhashya. So, most of the people, they are thinking that Advaitavadis, they are called Vedanti, Vedanta Darshan. Because our Shastra says, if you have not Vedanta, knowledge of any Vedanta, you are not qualified sannyasi. If you go the Vedanta, what is called, the Shankar Sampradayas, if you are sannyasi, they will be asked, you have knowledge in Vedanta or not. If you have no Vedanta, you have no knowledge about Vedanta, they will not accept your sannyasi. These are things. And even they don't also think you are sadhu also. They will be saying, okay, you are Vaishnava. So for this regard, they are not saying Vaishnava or sadhu. They don't believe. They believe sadhu means only those who are the line of Shankar. And also those who have knowledge in Vedanta Darshan. These are things. So, actual, what is the real meaning of Vedanta? Real meaning of the essence of Vedanta is Srimad Bhagavatam. So, for this regard, in our previous Acharya, even Jiva Goswami Pad, he did not write any commentary of Vedanta Darshan. Because that time, Jiva Goswami Pad, he is called Sarvabhauma Vaishnava. He was very powerful Vaishnava. Navadvip Dham, Jagannath Puri and Vrindavan Dham. He is very powerful. Sarvabhauma is sovereign. And all Vaishnavas and all Acharyas and even all kinds of sadhus, they give respect to him. Especially Jiva Goswami Pad, he is very learned scholar. So why did not he write on the commentary of Vedanta Darshan? Because that time they think that the Srimad Bhagavat is the commentary of Vedanta. Sarva Vedanta Sarangi Srimad Bhagavatam Ishyati. Sarva Vedanta Srimad Bhagavatam, Sarva Vedanta Sarangi. The essence of Vedanta is Srimad Bhagavatam. Sarva Vedanta Sarangi Srimad Bhagavatam Ishyati. Or another Garuda Purana also explain this way. Gayatri Bhasva Rupa also. Gayatri Tattva is all these is word in Srimad Bhagavatam. Artham Brahmasutran Bharatartha Vinirna. Gayatri Bhasva Rupa also. Vedantam Parim Vihangate. Garuda Purana also gives this evidence. Arthayam Brahma Sutrana. Brahma Sutra's complete definition or everything's in Srimad Bhagavatam. This is Arthayam Brahma Sutrana. Arthayam Brahma Sutrana. Bharatartha Vidirna. Bharat means Mahabharat. Mahabharat completely, elaborately discuss these things. So for this regard, Jiva Goswami Pad, he did not write on the commentary of Vedanta Darshan. Because Srimad Bhagavad is the origin commentary of Vedanta Darshan. And Srimad Bhagavad is very clear. Nigama kalpataru galita phalam suka mukhad amritam drava samishtam pibata bhagavata rasamala muro rusika bhuvi bhavata. You need tree or you need fruits? क्या चाहिए? वृक्ष चाहिए कि फल चाहिए? फल चाहिए. वृक्ष लेकर के क्या? वृक्ष लो तो उसमें उसके पानी देना पड़ेगा. परिचर्या करना पड़ेगा. If you take the tree, you have to nourishment every day water. But if you easily to get the fruits, so no need to the tree. So that means Vedanta darshan, that is called the trees. Sarva Vedanta Saram hi Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigama Kalpatarur Galita Phalam. Srimad Bhagavad is the fruits. Or Vedas, that is called the tree. So fruits automatically come. So no need to tree. Understand? Milk is coming in your house. So someone can nourishment to cow. Understand? Why you nourishment the cows? For the milk. But someone automatically giving the milk to you. So why you to nourishment the cows? Why you do the cow?
You already have the result.
Already you will get the fruit. Result. So Sarva Vedanta Saram Srimad Bhagavatam is such. All the essence of Vedas, that is what Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigama Kalpataru Galita Phalam Sukha Mukhadam Dravasana. Very clearly explained this. But when the Jaipur, that the sea Sampradaya, they also create the problem. What the problem? Jayadev, in Jaipur, Govindadev cannot worship with Srimati Radhika because it is Archan Marga. Ramanuja Sampradayas, they are very strict in their rules and regulations of scripture. That is Archan Marga. Gauriya Vaishnava, they are is the Rag Marga. Ramanuja Sampradaya, they are Archan Marga. Archan Marga, one name is called Vidhi Marga. So Vidhi Marga, if you Archan, so how Srimati Radhika, she will worship with Krishna? Because Srimati Radhika, she is not married wife of Krishna. So how to worship? Archan Marga, Archan Marga rules and regulation is there. What is the relation of Srimati Radhika with Krishna? You love to anybody, that is another thing. You love to anybody, that's another thing. But wife, that is usual. Rules and regulation. That is called Sakyattava. Sakyattava, that is Panigraha. Panigraha means marriage ceremony. With the rules and regulation. Brahmans should be chant that as Vivaha mantra. Marriage ceremony is mantra. And witness of his parents, witness of his neighbors. Brahmanas, many things. But Srimati Radhika, she did not marry a wife of Krishna. So how possible to worship there? If you say, oh, Srimati Radhika, she married with Krishna when she was very small and just offering garland. If you say this, that is not the Shastra not saying this. Offering garland, this is not the marriage ceremony. The disciple every day offering the garland, this is only the marriage ceremony. Offering the garland, this is not marriage. This is the, if you say they are offering garland marriage, how possible? So every day disciple offering garland is Guru. So every day is marrying. You cannot say this one. Eh? You offering garland to your friends. You want to say this is offering garland is not marriage. Eh? Because many people are saying, okay, Srimati Radhika Gopi they married with Krishna. Eh? Because when they're small, they offering Krishna. This is not it. Marriage ceremony, that means what? There is a panigrahan, that is rules and regulation. Should be Brahman, chant the special mantra. Eh? Understand? I did or not?
Yes.
This is a mantra. And witness of your relative or your parents. Eh? And fire sacrifice. Marriage ceremony. So Srimati Radhika, she did not marry with Krishna. This is not Sakya. Eh? Understand? So here is not Sakya, this is how to worship Radha and Krishna there. Eh? And that time they also explained, there is no name of Srimati Radhika in Srimad Bhagavatam. Eh? Why the name of Srimati Radhika? Any gopi is not named in there. Eh? So for this regard, Sri Sampradaya they complain. They have to remove Srimati Radhika from Govinda Devi. Eh? They try to establish Rukmini or Satyabhama. Because Rukmini Satyabhama they also legal married with Krishna. Archanman. Eh? Vishnu Narayan. Eh? They worship. Eh? Actually, you see, when you worship Radha and Krishna, originally, actually we are worshipping with whom? We worship the Vishnu, Lakshmi. Lakshmi Narayan. Radha Krishna no Archan. Archan Marga, when you see Archan Marga, they are actually not with the Archan Marga. Archan Marga is the Vidhi Marga. Rules and regulations in India. Eh? So for this regard that Sampradayas, Sri Sampradayas, they complain to King Jaipur. Eh? They have to remove it. Eh? And another thing, this Govinda Dev manufactured by Vajrana. Eh? But where is Radha is coming? Who manufactured Radha? Where did got this Radha? Eh? Then another question is come. Where do you get this Radha? Eh? So why worship Radha and Krishna? Gaudiya Vaishnava they worship Radha. Where do you find this Radha? Radha कहाँ से मिल गया? Eh? अब बताओ. You understand?
Rup Goswami.
This is your Goswami. This is your.
This is your
Sampradaya nature.
Sampradaya, yes. They are not accepting this.
No, eh? This is your family's problem. Or your family's katha. Eh? Understand? But when to the assembly house is the Pandit Sama. Eh? Everybody knows, but Vajrana, he manifested Govinda, Gopinath, Madan Mohan. Eh? But Radharani comes. Eh? But the Radha's name in Srimad Bhagavatam. Rukmini, Satyabhama, they are naming it there. They married. Eh? Krishna, he loved everybody. Eh? This is the nature. When young boy, young girl, they love many things. Eh? Love is another thing. Love is not sexual thing. Eh? I love my mother, I love my sister. That means this is not sexual thing. Love is everybody. Love, these are common. Eh? And everybody loved Krishna. Eh? Understand? Eh? So why is it? If you say somebody say beloved, beloved is what is also used. My beloved Gurudev. What is the meaning of beloved Gurudev? This is common. I love. I have so much love and affection. Beloved not is the it's called. Eh? Parketa bhav. You cannot say this word. Eh? My beloved Gurudev. So what is the meaning? I love my Gurudev. Depend. I tell you. Eh? So in the same way, gopis they can say, Krishna is our beloved. Beloved means the simple word. Anybody can say. Eh? So where is Srimati Radhika is come? They also complain these things. Eh? So that time King Jaipur, he become very confused also. What will do now? Eh? So Sri Sampradayas, that time their Acharya, their gurus complained to King Jaipur, you have to remove, you have to move the Vigraha of Srimati Radhika, you can establish Rukmini or Satyabhama. What's the matter with you? What's the what our bhajan sadhan two ways. One is called Bhav Marga and is called Archan Marga. Gaudiya Vaishnava, they give intense these words, Bhav Marga. Do you understand? Archan Marga, they give Archan Marga because it is rules and regulations. Shruti, Smriti, Naradi, Pancharatini, Vidin Vina, Vaikanti or Utpadaki Kevalam. If you not follow the rules and regulations of the scripture, Shruti, Smriti, Purana, all your bhajans, that is called disturbance. Archan Marga. Gaudiya Vaishnava, they give intense in Bhava Marga. Not Archan Marga. So why do Archan Marga? To regulate our life. Actually, this is true. Yeah? And how to step by step attain in Bhav. Bhav Marga. But Sri Sampradaya, they from beginning to end, there is Archan Marga, Vidhi Marga. Yeah? Usually, beginning to end, Vidhi Marga. So for this regard, they how to do this? They asked to King Jaipur. King Jaipur, this is true also, sir. There are no name of Gopis or Srimati Radhika in Srimad Bhagavatam. And Srimati Radhika, she is not also married. Wife of Krishna.
And they're also contesting that this is not bona fide sampradaya, only for sampradaya there. They also saying this?
No, later will be discussed that.
First they did not complain about this.
First they also think this way. Then King Jaipur, he asked to Vishwanath Chakravarti. That time Vishwanath Chakravarti is also very prominent person. Learned scholar, everything. That time Vishwanath Chakravarti, oh, I am old, I cannot go to Vrindavan. Hey, I cannot live in Vrindavan, I have to stay here. Hey, my old age, I don't know when I will die. He is very humble. That time he sent his representative, Baladev Vidyabhushan. Baladev Vidyabhushan, actually he is not the direct mantra diksha, Sisya. He is disciple, he is what? Siksha disciple. Baladev Vidyabhushan. But this is our Shastra is saying, this is Diksha Guru, Siksha Guru. Siksha disciple. Very learned Baladev Vidyabhushan. So big assembly house is there, they are discussing. And all sampradayas, Sri Sampradaya, Sri Brahma, Rudra, Samyak Sampradaya, even all kinds of sadhus also came. All sadhus also came. Even Mayavadi, Kurmi, Gyani, most of the Sankar Sampradayas also came. Tripundadhari, big sadhus. They also discuss these things. Yes, Srimad Bhagavatam, no Srimati Radhika Singh. Everybody also saying the same quotation with their lecture. Everybody lecture is same. You see, Srimad Bhagavatam, that everybody is saying you have to move Srimati Radhika. Only Rukmini Krishna. And Baladev Prabhu's name is not in there. No cricket football match name. Or a name is not there, so he is upset. He is staying in England, but he is taking powder. He is taking powder in the Holland. And eating the water from England, but his mind is Holland.
Most vegetables, fruit in England are imported from Holland. Glass house.
Oh, water?
Water is from here.
Water no Holland. Yeah, sun, rays of the sun.
Not from England.
Yeah? You are taking the breath, air, the sun, everything, water. Not Holland, not Yeah. Kick out. Go back.
Go back to Brexit.
Red card, man. Red card.
Maybe taking pension, maybe Holland. England.
Also,
Also, yeah. Sometimes taking money from, what is it called?
government.
Government, England government. But glorify to Holland. No problem. Huh? What did he say? Baladev. Actually, Baladev Prabhu's name is not in the list. Yeah. Because they actually everybody have to speak, they qualified person. Have to come these sampradayas. What is your sampradaya? What is your sampradaya? They asked Baladev Dabandhu. Because paying request to him, request to the who is the organizer, Yeah. They give that, put the name of Baladev Vidyabhasan, he is the representative of Krishna Chakravarti. That is which sampradaya he is. Okay, Brahma Madhya Gaudiya Sampradaya. Gaudiya Sampradaya. Okay. But they also, what is your commentary? If you are belong to the sampradaya, have to give the commentary on Vedanta Darshan. You have no commentary. Yes. But anyhow, Baladev Prabhu when he spoke Harikatha, 5 minutes they gave chance. Okay, last minute. Understand? Last minute. Then he, 5 minutes. Okay, he can speak because he is not qualified and qualified. Just give 5 minutes. But when he gave 5 minutes, everybody completely heard. Stunned, some miracle come. Everybody they are listening. And 5 hours he spoke. And he gave all the Shastra Jukti this way. When time is given 5 minutes, how do you go? He will become very Baladev does not give proof. Yes, Srimad Bhagavatam, every slokas name of Srimati Radhika. He's saying even the Srimad Bhagavatam, Bhagavat means Krishna. Sri means Srimati Radhika. Baladev Prabhu, he proved this already. Sarva Lakshmi Srimati Radhika. He proved everything. He also quoted the part from Gautama Tantra, given. Devi Krishna Bhakta, Radhika, Paradevata, everywhere he is. Then all learned scholars, even all sampradayas, even Sankar Sampradaya, they become his charm. And he told everybody. Anaya Radhita, Bhagavad also, every name. Anaya Radhita, Bhagavana, Sihurishwar, Radhita Radhita. Many slokas he used. Then finally they also, okay, Srimati Radhika, she married with Krishna. Bhandirvat Katha, Vedanta Darshan, and he also explained this way. Even Baladev Prabhu quoted the sloka of Vedanta Darshan. Srimati Radhika's name is there also. Vedas also there. Many slokas are there. Rik Krishna, Radha Madhavani Iva Radhaya. Radha name is Vedas also. Everywhere. Srimad Bhagavatam, Ved Puran, everywhere. Srimati Radhika. That time, last day also complained, okay, but show your Sampradaya commentary on Vedanta Darshan. That time Baladev Prabhu, okay, gave me 7 days. Then Baladev Prabhu asked to Govinda Dev, then Govinda Dev himself gave dictation and he wrote. So this is called, his name is called Govinda Bhasya. But Govinda Dev himself gave that dictation, Baladev Prabhu. Govinda Bhasya. So in this way, Baladev Prabhu, actually, he protect our Sampradaya, Gaudiya Sampradaya. Otherwise, who knows the Gaudiya Sampradaya? So our Baladev Vidyabhasan Prabhu, he is called Gaudiya Sampradaya Sangrakha. So Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj Prabhu, I also gave that to this name, Gaudiya Vedanta Samiti. For the remembrance of Baladev Vidyabhasan Prabhu. You read his article. Then, so Balaji Vidyasan for him. Sampradaya Raksa, Sangrakak. Yeah? Go to man. So every year there are different countries. They also, no? Every 4 years.
Every 4 years.
This time Russia.
Next time, Qatar. Is it Qatar?
Eh?
Qatar next time.
Qatar,
Yeah.
a Muslim country.
Ah.
Oh my God.
Very hot. Very hot there as well. In summertime,
that's
very hot. They're gonna have.
So who decides this? Which country?
They pay money.
Huh?
They're supposed to be voting. You're supposed to vote. But Qatar, Russia, they gave money. Like Sachs was saying, corruption. They paid everyone to say we have the World Cup in Qatar.
In my country.
Yeah, Qatar very rich. Oil, isn't it?
Russia, not so much money.
Yeah, Russia a lot of money. Oil.
Russia.
A lot of money. Oil.
Russia is, the ruble is going down.
Yeah, but still they have, because of America sanctions, but Russia has lots of oil, lots of wealth. So they buy, they pay everyone off.
Oh, we'll pay then again.
You're not supposed to pay. You're supposed to vote, but because they're corrupt, they pay. Corruption.
vote.
going on. Yeah.
Where is the vote? That time they say, okay, you give
Quietly,
sanction.
quietly, they're giving money.
In the, under the table.
Under the table.
Handshake.
Eh?
Handshake.
Golden handshake.
That's why I wanted no playing. Because
Yeah, okay.
I don't miss
He
no entertainment.
Still.
Kicked out.
He's from Suriname anyway.
Suriname, everyone support Brazil. Yeah.
Suriname not also in the World Cup.
No, they all supporting Brazil. Neighbor country.
No one Suriname.
No, Suriname was not one. It was a Dutch colony. It's like Brazil supporting Portugal.
अच्छा चलता हूँ बाबा यही चलता है संसार